to fix the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting into your iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to your settings and then click into your Wi-Fi. Now from here you have to simply select the current network that you are connected with, and from here you have to forget this network and then reconnecting by selecting the network again and entering the password. And once you're done with it, then you have to go back, and from here you have to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Now this can also reset your device's connection. After that you have to go to the general, and from here scroll down and go to the transfer or reset the iPhone. Now this will erase all the save Wi-Fi network and the password, so you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks again. After that you have to disable any of the VPN and the proxies. If it is connected, you have to check out that if you have any VPNs or the proxies enabled. You have to simply try disabling them, as they can also interfere within your Wi-Fi connectivity. After that you have to restart your devices and the router. Now sometimes a simply restart can also resolve the issue. And in the last you just have to simply go back and go to your software update. Now from here click into your automatic updates, and here you have to make sure that any of the new update is not here, and if it is there then you have to simply check for the updates into your iOS. Now if none of the above step work, you can also reach out to the Apple support for the further assistance. Now there might be a hardware issue that needs a professional attention. So these are the steps that you can fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting into your iOS 18.